Sup guys, it's Sydney and also
Krissy.
If you couldn't tell, I'm back in my house, so Krissy and I went to the thrift store.
Yeah!
I've never been thrift shopping before, but Krissy out here, she's a pro. So, she really showed me the ropes. This is just like a nice little tiny haul. I got 4 things. Krissy...
I also got 4 things.
Yeah, we're really just keeping it light today. Yeah, that's really it.
I got nothing.
Alright. The first thing that I got was this jacket. Okay, I can't really show it, that's why we're doing try on. But this is just a really light navy little rain jacket. Really cute, 20 out of 10. But it has like this cinched little cuffs.
I'm actually so jealous of this. It's so cute.
Yeah, it was such a good find, you know?
I hate you.
It's pretty plain, besides like all throughout it there's just like black kind of stitching, makes it a little bit more form-fitting. It was what, $5.49?
Yes.
So like, how could I not?
Found this Nike t-shirt.
Krissy got this and I was like actually genuinely mad that she found this and that I didn't, because I want it, so.
I just love this. It's just like a plain black t-shirt with the Nike logo on it, and it says SB. I have no idea what that means.
Yeah, comment down below if you know what that means, because I want to become a little bit more educated on my brands.
Exactly.
So the next thing that I found was another jacket type item. It's this zip, and this thing is like real thick. It's actually from J. Crew, so that's kind of a snag because guess how much it was? $5.49. Got him. It kind of reminds me of like Patagonia or something, like that kind of vibe. And it's a full zip jacket, so the zipper goes all the way down, and then it has a pocket on either side, and the pocket has this little like black lining, which I thought was really cute. I just thought it would be super cozy, and it's really warm, and it was literally $5.49, so I feel like anything you get is just automatically worth it because it's just so cheap. Wow, you're really good at showing it.
Thank you.
Literally, if you started a channel, it would be 20 times more entertaining than mine, so like, don't start it because I can't have that kind of competition running me out.
It's like a denim skirt, but it's black velvet, which I'm such a fan of velvet. Like, I don't even know why. It has pockets in the back, and I don't know what else to say. It's just a skirt.
I love whenever people try to describe things because I can't describe things and I have to do this like all the time. And then seeing someone else struggle, I'm like, yeah, I feel that.
Made in Taiwan.
Made in Taiwan.
I think it was like $5.49. That's what I would guess.
I feel like this is my most like obviously thrifted item. Like whenever you think of a thrift store, you think of stuff like this. So this is what I got. It's a black t-shirt. It's a little bit kind of faded, a little bit like distressed because, you know, someone wore it, which is, that's weird to think about. Wild. The other stuff I just plan on like washing and wearing, but this shirt, we have a plan. We're gonna DIY it a little bit. It's really plain. It looks like this. It just says Long Beach, California. It also says Sublime, which, not gonna lie, whenever I first saw this, just because of like the red, I thought it said Supreme because I've been tainted by our society, but it doesn't. It's a little bit long, and so I thought it would be cute if I like cropped it.
Also, that's like one of my favorite things about shopping at a thrift store, because I like to like make changes to my clothes and cut them up.
I'm like not talented, so whenever I say I'm gonna crop this, I really mean Krissy, because I literally have no idea what I'm doing. I'll show you some pictures of Krissy's talents. Like, she's really good at taking stuff and making it look a million times better, so literally hire a DIY queen. I like how I'm just hyping you up. Who doesn't love Krissy?
Ooh.
Oh my gosh, this is wild.
I got these overalls. They're shorts. I think I'm gonna change the bottom of these shorts. I'm probably gonna like undo this and, I don't know, maybe rip them up. We'll see. I don't really know what's gonna happen.
What do you wear under overalls?
Honestly, I'm just gonna wear like a t-shirt, or like, I think like a crop top would look cute under overalls.
Yeah, I would agree. It's a good summer look.
Yeah, exactly.
Too bad it never gets warm here, so.
Haha.
The last item that I got is this shirt, and it was my most expensive item, and it was a little bit wild. It was $7 whole. Like, I saw this and I got super hyped because it's just an Adidas shirt. This was actually an extra small, but I really like the fit of it because I think that I can wear it like to work out because it is like an Adidas shirt and it's kind of lighter and everything, but I could also just wear it with like leggings whenever I'm feeling really lazy because, I mean, honestly, like, look what I'm wearing right now.
The last thing I got from Goodwill is also velvet. I mean, what else did we expect? Is this a quarter zip?
Like, it looks like a quarter zip, but I feel like quarter zips kind of go down a little bit further, so.
Yeah, I think this is less than a quarter, but like, what do you call it?
An 1/8 zip.
It's an 1/8 zip. Liz Caliborn?
I think it's Liz Claiborne, honey.
The sleeves
really
are
soft.
a little bit short, but I think I'm gonna like roll them up and then it'll be fine.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it was like a little bit kind of short and just more casual, but just trying to transition back into my house. If you guys liked it enough, I would do like a thrift with me type video. Originally that's what we were gonna do, but then we're both way too awkward to film like in store. But if you guys wanted it enough, like, we would suffer through it for you.
See you next time.
Bye.